2004 Nissan Altima. It has that 2.5 engine. Has a problem here. Lots of oil underneath this car because it had a leak. Now see all that oil completely wet, just running. So the customer would keep putting oil inside of it because it would, here's some oil right there. It would keep putting oil inside of it because it kept leaking and the transmission would start slipping. And here is the transmission right here. And here is the reason. We pulled this seal out and you can see that this bushing is halfway out. It moves. Let me get something to see if I can pull it out. See if I can move that bushing. Okay. Well, there it is, spinning. So, I need to get something. I'm gonna get something. Alright, let's see if I can pull this out. There it is. So this bushing has been moving around and around, and this is what happened. I don't care if you got a front pump seal. Front pump seal can only hold so much. If the bushing goes bad, the front pump seal cannot hold it. The bushing holds the most fluid back. So now with this here, I have to take this bell housing off. I'm gonna probably have to put another pump on here. Sometimes you can, if your bushing is tight enough, the new bushing, you can put another bushing in here. You probably have to scrape this real good, scrape the side of the bushing real good, and then put some Loctite around here, then knock that in. Then you should be fine. But right now I'm gonna have to take this bell housing off. But this is the problem: front pump leak coming from a bad bushing, bad pump bushing.